my XC saw, and this comes up on my phone. We want to fly. So then a profile comes up. You see the arrow down the bottom left? Click on that and it comes up with the profiles that have been. Select the one you want. I'll go label wet, select on there, select that, and then right down the bottom center it's got continue. Okay, so now it's loading the new. Right, yeah. Select a task. Gotta go select the menu. Okay, then we go task, select task. Okay, the last task that's active at the moment will come up. If we want to load another task, go to manage and go to browse. We'll browse what's there, browse, scroll down to select the task we want to do. I've got them in here and they come up as the distance. Okay, so we'll get 315 kilometers. Select that task. You double click it, load, yes. Okay, that's the task, Balaclava, Waikerie, Balaclava. Okay, if we want to make any changes, now we want to do it. So for example, Balaclava gliding is the finish point there. If we want, it's an FAI quadrant. If I want to change that, I'll select that, and I want to. It's got FAI finish quadrant. Change type to a finish line, and then select, and there it's a finish line. Okay, close. Then go up the top there to close it. Close. Task has been modified. Close. Now the task has been there, okay? So, okay, to change a task, which is the M on the control stick, okay, we go to task, and I want to change it to a 300 kilometer out and return from Orroroo. So go manage, browse, scroll down, Balaclava, Orroroo, Balaclava. Select that, load it, yes. Okay, and then close, and now we have a task from Balaclava to Orroroo, return to Balaclava. Okay, so on the main screen we've got if we scroll to the left, which is on the little cursor on the control stick where it's got the 4-way button, you want to scroll to the left, but I've got to do it on the left like that. Okay, we'll go to that screen there where it's got no info boxes there at all. It's just the map. So I want to go to the right, so I'll go to the right, and then that is the auto. Down here when we mouse bottom left where it says replay, will be auto. Okay, that infographic on the right there with the circle, that means that it's in thermal mode. So it's in a thermal. So the info boxes here will be for thermal, but it hasn't started yet because we haven't taken off. Right. So if I keep going through to the right, all the other boxes, that's FLAM, conditions, which tells me my battery, airspace, back to the map. If I want to zoom in, I can go put the top button, press the little arrow at the top, and it will show zooming in, and you can see we're zooming in. Okay, see, we'll go back to the menu. See, we can see our thermal mark there. We go to the menu, which is my square, but which is M on there. We want to go zoom auto. See that one there? Zoom auto, select that, and that will be automatic zoom for our thermal. If we want it bigger, to make the turning circles fit the screen more, we can zoom up. Okay, Right. Fly, profile, bottom left corner, select profile, label wet, or put Darren or Brian, continue. Right, then go to the right and we've got auto